guys, I'm Deeksha Shetty. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another JOMSO lehenga unboxing. Now this is a highly requested video guys and not a sponsored one. So without wasting time, let's get started. Let's see how the product is. It's a maroon and yellow colored lehenga and मैंने already shoot किया था ये video and क्या करें वो video का focusing अच्छा नहीं था तो I had to reshoot this. So ये है लहंगा and I'll show you the picture. ये जो है display picture है. Hope this lehenga turns out to be like this. First let's see the blouse fabric. It comes in this maroon color and there's a slight shine. The fabric used here is Bangalore silk. And this is the front of the blouse guys. They have given this golden and copperish embroidery and there's like sequins also if my camera is focusing that. So this is going to be the front. This is the back of the blouse guys. They've given this beautiful again floral and leaves kind of embroidery over here with like sequins and golden work. Pretty good. Even if you see on the other side, the finishing is really very good. Now in the picture shown in their website, they've given like full sleeve blouse. So here is the design embroidery for the blouse sleeve part. It's super cute design and this is how it is going to look once it is stitched. Again there's like sequence work over here and embroidery in copper work. So again on the other side the finishing is really good. It is about like 1.2 meter of fabric for the blouse, so easily you can get like full sleeve stitched out of this and I'm really impressed with the embroidery design. It is super good. Coming to the skirt, this is how it looks. It has this beautiful sequence detailing near the waist part and then if you see there's like slight pleatings. Again the stitching is not at all visible. They're very nicely stitched, so you will not see the pleating marks. And then they've given this beautiful golden and red embroidery work. It is all throughout the skirt. It's the same design and the design is in one sequence, so it looks like the designer has taken a lot of time in designing this. On the other side the stitching is like this, very nicely made, very good finishing. On the inner side they've given this lining, again this bidding also so that the threads won't come off. It's like a softest satin fabric, so it's not going to prick. The designs, the embroidery designs are not going to prick on your skin. So the length of the skirt is also good. If you are like 5.4, you can wear like 3 to 4 inches of heels and still the skirt will not look short. And then coming to the waist part guys, this is going to fit up to 40 inches of waist. And I forgot to mention this, there's no cancan skirt underneath, so you'll have to wear a separate cancan skirt to give that left in shape. So I have already reviewed one cancan skirt from Amazon. If you guys are interested, do check that out in my description box. I'm going to give the link of it. So I'm really happy with what I received. I like the color as well. Now coming to the dupatta. This is how it is. They've given this you know, like a pastel green color net fabric. The fabric is very soft and to the border they've given this sequence detailing in maroon, and the one side of the dupatta has this sequence detailing and the other side has just like plain embroidery. The length of the dupatta is also good. It's long enough and the fabric is so soft that it's going to stand like the way you want. Coming to the comparison guys, this is the picture which is shown in the website, and now comparing the product I received, it's almost the same. 95% of the design is exactly like how it is given in the picture. Even the blouse design, even the dupatta is just like that. So I would like to rate it 4 out of 5 because the fabric is good, the length of the skirt is good enough, even the blouse fabric they've provided around 1.2 meters and everything about the lehenga is really good. I would like to deduct 1 just because there is no cancan skirt included with this. Other than that, everything is so perfect. Now coming to the price guys, the original price of this was 4,490 rupees and the discounted price is just 2,290, which is like 50% discounted price, and I think it's a good deal. In case if you want to purchase this, I'm going to give the link in my description box. and you can directly go to JOMSO.com, and I'm going to give my product code somewhere here. You can type that and you will see this product. And if you are new to my channel and don't know about JOMSO, then let me tell you guys, JOMSO sells all kind of Indian ethnic wear. They do have cash on delivery option. They do ship worldwide for an extra shipping charge, and most of you keep asking me about their return. If you didn't like a product, or in case if you receive a defective product or a poor quality product, what you'll have to do is you'll have to mail them within 7 days and they're going to arrange for a return. That is so simple. So that's it guys. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, do let me know in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and share. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.